Guys, it is Saturday, 9 a.m. and we just got our first order of the morning from Starbucks. $5.50 for 1.2 miles. Let's go. It is starting to rain, by the way. You know what? I don't believe news people. Like, I don't believe weather people. They're like, oh, it's gonna rain, and then they said it wasn't gonna rain no more, and then they said it was gonna rain again. It's like, bro, what are you, like, come on, is it gonna rain or not? All right, but we're here at Starbucks to pick up our first pickup. Here's thank you. All right. Guys, our drop off is 2 minutes away, so it's not far at all. And we're dropping off oatmeal, a breakfast egg and cheese sandwich, a drink, and I think a blueberry muffin. We arrived. It's on this block. All right, guys, dropping it off. Perfect. First order of the day, check. And like that, we get an $8.52 order for 1.2 miles from a local bake shop. Yes, sir. Guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cancel the order because there's like a long line outside, and this order is a big order as well. So, all right, it sucks that we had to cancel that order, but it was just a long wait. So hopefully we get something good to make up for it. Every time I go there, they got like 3 people working in the back, and like they're always busy. Like, if y'all need me to come in the back and start cooking it up, just let me know. Just let Jay know. Guys, I'm gonna just ride around Center City. Hopefully I get something. If not, then I'm gonna just have fun just riding around in the rain. Guys, this video might be a little different than usual, but like, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like. I just want to experiment, you know. I just want to try new things, see what's up, see what happens. But look, they got a crazy, they must have a release today because we got mad line. What's up, man? Busy? How's man? Thank you. You too. All right, guys. All right, guys, we got a $10 order for less than 1 mile from Dunkin'. So, you know, we had to take that real quick. I know I'm gonna take that in the bag because it's a heavier bag. Guys, the drop-off is 0.7 miles away. It's like 3 or 4 minutes. That's love. That is love. I'm gonna pick you up in a Cadillac. We're literally around the corner already. How? That's 0.7 miles. That does not feel like 0.7 miles. That feels like it was something less. Kimpton Hotel, Monaco. I'm gonna let them know that I've arrived so that they're ready, because it needs a pin, so I'm gonna need to see them. Like this. Yes, it is. We're here. Alright, I'm gonna give them a call, tell them I'm outside.
Okay, I'm coming down right now.
Okay, I'll see you then. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Guys, we're getting a $6.31 order for 1 mile. Yes, sir.
Do the Dunkin'
Augusta?
Yes.
Yeah. There you are. Yeah.
And then I also have this as well to add on.
I appreciate it. Do you have the pin, by the way? It's asking for a pin. All right, guys, let's go get this Starbucks. I'm gonna pick you up and Cadillac. We're here, baby. We're here. Then I crash. Hello. Guys, I need your help. I'm trying to reach to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I know it's a crazy goal, but I know we can do it, so help me out, please. Alright, we're gonna go a long way for a little bit, but it's okay. It's still a salon. We'll be okay. It says architect too. I think I'm here. I also need a pin. I also need a pin from Allison.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay. Hi, Allison. I just need your 4th pin.
I have it written over here. It's for the client too.
Okay.
It's gonna be May.
Alright. That was an easy drop off. Quick, easy. Guys, we're getting a $4.87 order for 1.9 miles. We're gonna take that. We're gonna take it. I've always loved how Spruce looks like. Like, Spruce is always beautifully lined with trees. It's really comforting. Guys, if this order is not ready, we're gonna drop it because it looks so busy in there that I don't even know.
Very slightly drizzly.
Yeah. Gotcha. Alright, Michaela. Big enough for Michael? Michael H. It's not ready yet? Okay. Oh my gosh, she's coming out of her bag. Put it. Michael. No, okay. Someone else is gonna come for it.
Okay.
Thank you though. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait. That's a long wait. 25-minute wait. Fuck no. Guys, we're getting a $9 order for 2.3 miles from McDonald's. Yes, we're taking that. Guys, we got the bag secured. Put that baby right in there and we are headed out. Yes, sir. Dropping off the Mickeys. Guys, we just got an $8.40 trip for 1.4 miles, and we're getting a $7 add-on for 0.9 miles from Spread Bakery. Guys, imagine I talk too much and I didn't even accept it. Oh no, bro, that would have been fail of the year. Alright guys, our first pickup is at Taco Bell. Hi, I'm picking up for... Okay. Guys, there's no cherry Pepsi, which is what they wanted, so I'm gonna let them know that. See what they get.
Your call has been forwarded.
10 seconds to answer. If not, I'm just taking regular Pepsi. Alright, I'm taking regular. Can I get a little bag for the sauces, please? They got like 40 sauces. Hi, I was calling you because they didn't have cherry Pepsi. I got you Pepsi. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, thank you. I can still change it if you want.
Thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's fine. Thank you.
All right, perfect. Yep. Bye bye.
All right. Bye.
All right, guys, we're on our way to Spread Bakery to pick up our second pickup for this order. Guys, we're picking up 2 bagels with cream cheese, 2 breakfast sandwiches, and 2 bottles of water. It's all like love. Look at this dumb f***. People don't know how to f*** drive, bro. On a Bronco Sport. Look at this. I mean, that's what you get though. Like riding in the city, you're gonna get like that all the time. And we're here at Spread. Go for free. Two bottles of water. Okay, thank you. 2 bottles of water. Excuse me. Really? Good yes. Guys, I could have been the last video right there. I could have been hurt. I don't know. First jump off, check. Thank you, magical door. So we got the 2 water bottles and we got the breakfast sandwiches. Hi,
Thank you so much.
yeah.
Yes, that's me.
Have a
Thank
good
you
one.
so much. Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Oh. Guys, we're getting another order, but we're not taking it because it's only for $3.50. Guys, we're in Chinatown and I'm getting a $9 with 9-cent order for 1.7 miles, so we're gonna definitely take that. Yeah, we're actually getting some decent orders today, you know? Like, they're not the best orders, but they're not the worst. Like, they could be worse orders. I'm so grateful that we're getting good orders at least. 1201 race. I mean, this is race, right? $1.50 add-on for 0.6 miles. You know what? We'll make it $10 order. Guys, we're picking up from Lauki restaurant. Look at the food. I'm not gonna lie, bro. If y'all try that, y'all know that's so good. All right, guys, we just picked up our first order from this restaurant. Now we're gonna go pick up our second one, which is like a couple blocks away. Three blocks away, so it shouldn't take that long. I hope it's ready too. Oh wow, We got soccer playing. What's up, man? I'm picking up for Taylor.
Yeah, it's on the way. Have it
Oh.
sit there, it's coming out.
All right. Guess we can sit down and watch the game.
Taylor,
Taylor, it takes maybe 15-20 minutes, I guess.
Oh, 15,
Yeah,
20 minutes? Okay. Somebody else will come pick it up. French fries, garden salad, meat, egg and cheese, French fries, meat lovers omelet. Guys, we had to cancel that second pickup because it was taking too long. They said a 20-minute wait. I don't know about a 20-minute wait. So yeah, we're just gonna jump off the first order we picked up and see what we get from there. Guys, don't forget to wear a helmet. If you guys want to get the helmet I'm wearing, stylish, nice, and protects your head, link in the description. All right, guys, we arrived to our drop off. 1501. I don't know where that's at. 1500. So 1501 might be on this side. Wait, it's 1901. I don't know where I got 15 from. It's not 15. All right, we'll go inside. Maybe she's coming down. I can meet her. Hi, good. I have a food delivery. Oh, here you go. Have a good day. Yep. All right, guys, that's it for the morning shift. I'll be back out around 5 or 6 p.m. So I'll see you guys then.